Hi Smiths, I hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for being here. So I'm going to jump right into it. I want to unbox the stationery selection boxes for, let's see, this is August, September, and then if I have time I'll also do October. And then if I have, I think I'm going to do it in a separate video where I use the items as well. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. And if you're new here, I run this online shop called the Stationery Selection. We have a monthly subscription box of stationery goods from Japan. And yeah, I haven't, like I said, I haven't done one of these in a while, and I feel like I want to film this video. So this is the August box. I'm just covering up the QR code because lately I have been including some extras in terms of sometimes it's like a video and then sometimes it's a printable. It really depends, and it's not like every single month, but when I do have the time I will add a little bit of something to the box. So here it is. I'm just going to quickly run through the items. So the first thing is this super bright clip. The August box has different color variations. There is this bright neon one, there is a yellow, and then there is a green. So if you're not a fan of the pink star, please email me and I'll check to see what I have what I have left remaining in our shop. But yes, this one I have been wanting to include for quite some time. All right, so there's that. Next we have this zebra ballpoint pen, and it's called Buren, and it is in the black ink in the 0.7 nib. I apologize, my husband was whistling and he came into the room and then it totally caught me off guard, and so this part is going to be a voiceover. Anyways, I just wanted to continue to talk about the blend pen, and this one that I have in my hand right now I'm using in my Hobonichi weeks, and I like that it's an easy writer. It's weighted in a specific way so that it makes writing very comfortable. Next on the list is the Kuretake Zig clean color brushes, and it comes in a set, and it also includes a water brush. If you are interested, Connie from Peppercorn Arts actually shows a tutorial of the image that you see here, and she uses all of the markers that were included in the set and recreates this beautiful artwork. And so I will leave you a link down below to that, as well as her unboxing of the August box. And then next we have a sticker sheet, and the sticker sheet is nice, thin, like washi material, and it is from the artist Miki Tamura, or Tamura Miki. And so that's for the August. Sorry, I forgot to mention one more thing, is the Stalogy A5 Stalogy half year. And this is in the dot, and for the longest time they had the grid with the calendar marked at the top, like the days, not the days of the month, but the month, and the months and the days kind of listed at the top. But with this version that is no longer, and yeah, this was first released back in the summer in Japan, and so I was very, very, very excited to get our hands on this for the August box release. And in this box I actually filmed a video showcasing or sharing with you how I've been using my A5 Stalogy, the half-year one that's in the box, and I just kind of share with you the first initial setup of the commonplace book. And so I've been using this notebook for that reason throughout the end of 2021, and will of course continue to in 2022. I'm just taking the clip and putting it into my Hobonichi, as I will be most likely using it in the Hobonichi Techo that I'm currently working on. So those are the items for August box. We still have quite a bit of stock remaining, so if you are interested, just let me know. Like I said, the star clip will be different in color and shape, so if you are curious to know what colors are available, you can just send me a quick email. And this, once again, is the September box, and in this box there is also a QR code, including a downloadable using the paper items that you will see soon, real soon. So first is the Avril yarn. I will always really enjoy using the Avril yarn, and I mainly use it for gift wrapping purposes, but I've used it also as bookmarks and things for my journals and notebooks. I chose a more of like a toned down colorway, so it's not too bright. It fits a lot of like vintagey type of papers and junk journals and things like that. You can easily use them for, like I said, embellishing, and maybe if you make your own bookmarks or cards and things, you can use that. Here is a stapleless stapler, and it's written in Japanese on the back, but it's hopefully easy to understand. You can use up to 4 sheets of paper, and it does not require any staples, which I appreciate, but it does make a hole. And so when I was thinking about using the stapler, I thought it would be great to use the stapler and use that to kind of punch holes in certain paperwork, or like in my junk journals. I like to staple things in, but I thought I could use the stapeless stapler and create holes and add embellishments and things with the Avril yarn. Sorry, I'm like totally rambling on and not paying attention here. This is the dot liner, which is like a tape runner. And just before I forget to mention, the tape runner, the dot liner here, and the stapler, there's several different colorways that are included in the box. So the one that you see here is black and purple, but there's also like a coral, a more of like a mint green color. So there's different various colorways. If you are curious to purchase this month's box, but you want a different color stapler or a different color dot liner, just let me know. And then here is a wonderful, I don't know how to say, I guess it's like a collaboration. This is from the artist named Mitzel. It was actually introduced to me by Mirai Cat on Instagram. She introduced me to this artist, and this particular product is not available directly from Mitzel, so we did a collaboration together, and I'm very thankful. And it's funny, I assumed that this artist was, I don't know why I assumed, but I thought that she was younger, but she wrote in her letter how she has I think it's a university student studying abroad, so it's just so fun to see or connect with other artists here in Japan. So included in the paper pack are these beautiful, vibrant colors. They're not showing exactly up like the true colorway on camera, but so those are the printables. I've created some paper clusters that are included in this month's box. And then lastly is the Artnik stamp, the ink pad, and this beautiful stamp set by Mizushima. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna cut off the top there and open it up. And I've actually filmed the Journal With Me session using these clear stamps, so I will have to edit that and post that. Hopefully it will be up by next week. So these stamps are really, they're quite small visually, but they're so impactful to me, and I find that I can use these like abstract shapes and things very easily in my journals, and even just to make really quick packaging. I know I receive some, like you have these papers or recycled papers that are in packages. If you order online or something, you order a package online, I could easily use this stamp set ink them up and create very fun designs and make them into like a wrapping paper. And the neat thing is it's made in Japan, and it includes an acrylic block already, so it's all ready to go. You just need your ink pads, and you can kind of stamp away. And I've been really enjoying this stamp set so far. So that is a look at the September items here, you can see the mid-sell, it's more like a neon orange, but it might not show up properly, like her business card there. And like I said, the dot liner and the stapler come in various different colors, so if you are looking for a specific color, please feel free to email. And lastly, I will be reviewing the last box, the October box. Alright, so the October box will also have two different colorways, and I'll explain that a little bit later on, but here is the information card. This month I tried to kind of add my own illustrations. And yes, so the first thing are these really sweet sticker flakes, and they have the nice gold foiling detail on them as well. And these are from the company called BGM. And then this one is a washi tape from Kamiso. I tried to draw a plump cat. I thought it was really cute. And then you'll find an envelope stamped with these 3 markers. This is a marker set from End Barrel, and the middle part has 2 ends, so it has a fine tip and kind of like a thick tip here that you see I'm sharing with you. And the neat thing about this marker set is that you can kind of stack them, so if you don't need all of the colors, you can take them apart and kind of save some space. And yeah, and then the other colors, there's this nice kind of khaki taupe color and this light blue color, and they're both with the chisel tip, and so they're really great for highlighting. I share with you these swatches, I think, near the end of this video, or I definitely do a swatch in the Journal With Me session. So I will have to edit that, and hopefully I'll put that video linked here. And this one is, I'm not sure what I was doing with the number 3, but this is a letter set from Iroha, and it's from the company Ayueo. Next is the Nagahashi Ikagen note in the A5 size, and it's the company is called Nagahashi, and they've been around for over 65 years printing. And this company was actually introduced to me by at Sincerely Mori on Instagram. I'm very, very thankful for her suggestion, and I thought it was so sweet. The people that came up with this idea were a bunch of women, I think 4 women. I was watching their video I was looking on their website, and the women just wanted a really simple notebook where you can quickly open it up and feel carefree. And so you'll see these lines, they're actually hand-drawn by one of the women there, and so it's a grid notebook, but the grid is not exactly square. So just like the name suggests, ikagen means kind of like sloppy, so I thought that was really, really fun. So there's that notebook there. And then next is the King Jim craft notebook cover in the A5 size. And so this one is the one where I mentioned about the different colorway. This one in the video is like a soft brown with a red elastic. The second color is the light gray with blue elastic closure. So if you're not a fan of the brown color, you can email me and I can check to see if we have the gray with blue elastic still left in stock. So I'm just taking off the protective cover here so I can show you the different pockets and things that it includes. Like I said, it is in the A5 size, and the neat thing is it has the bookmark attached to it with various pockets, and it also has a nice pen loop too. So this is the bookmark. You don't have to use it. You can just tuck it in the back. And then there's this clear pocket on the back. It's open, so it's not stitched on one end. You can slip your cover in the back there, and there's also another pocket in the front of the plastic. Sorry if I'm hoping I'm making sense. But anyways, it fits the A5 size notebook perfectly in there. It also has 3 separate pockets on the edge. I think I'm going to be doing a close-up later on in the video, but you can see for size comparisons, the letter set fits nicely in that clear pocket in the front. So if you want to keep this folder as a folder where you can write your letters, or like for your correspondence, you can certainly do that. So here I'm trying to insert the A5 notebook that's included. The cover of the notebook is quite flimsy, and so that's why I was having a difficult time putting it in, but I did end up fitting in this A5 notebook, and I will show you right here. So that's what it looks like with the Ikagen notebook in the back plastic sleeve part. And then on the front, or the left-hand side, you can include whatever you feel like, your sticky notes or your stickers. It's like a full-length pocket, and then 3 little credit card slot type of pockets kind of stitched in. So that's the Ikagen note. I'm kind of sliding it out so that you can see once again the full view of the A5 notebook cover by King Jim. And so this one has the red elastic, and like I said, the gray one has the blue. If you're interested in like the pictures, if you want to see pictures before purchasing, just email me. And that is the label for the craft cover. And that's pretty much it for the October stationery box. We still have stock left for October and for September, August as well. As always, if you have any questions about anything about like shipping, if you're not sure if we are able to ship to your country, or if you wanted to do, like if you wanted to place multiple orders and maybe combine them to save on shipping costs, I'm definitely available to do that. I try my best to help the customer out, so if that means, you know, you wanted to place an order and just kind of wait to combine the shipping, I can definitely do that. So I'm always available by email. We usually work Monday to Friday, so I don't really check my emails on weekends, so please be aware of that. But I think that's pretty much it. I am very, very thankful for your support this year, in 2021, and I hope 2022 won't be so bad. In terms of shipping, I know there's a lot of restrictions still going on, and the shipping increases. It continues to increase actually, and there was another shipping cost increase in the beginning of 2022 already, and I think there was a notice about EMS shipping increasing in the coming months, so I'm not looking forward to that. But yes, so here, yes, I did end up swatching in this video. I wasn't sure if I swatched it in this video or if it was the Journal With Me session, but here I end up swatching the markers with you, and then I'm just creating some fun headings. I'm using the A6 notebook that's part of the November box. If I have time, I will try and film the unboxing for November and December's box. We ended up skipping January because we really needed a break to kind of catch up on things. Like I said, it's just myself and my brother-in-law working here and putting together the boxes for you, so we just kind of needed to catch up on things. But yes, so this is the notebook from November. I just created some really easy headings there with markers. I will do a swatch off to the side, just like a one swatch, and then one swatch with double layer, so you can see if it gets any darker. But yeah, I will leave it at that. Like I said, I'm very, very thankful for your support, and I hope you are doing well, staying safe, and being careful. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.